Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Backwoods Solar YouTube video. In today's video, we'll be looking at our Backwoods Solar RV kits. Laid out here on the table is one of our 200-watt solar RV kits. We do have 6 total kits available: a 200-watt, a 400-watt, and a 600-watt kit. Each of those kits are available with and without the inverter. So a solar-only kit or a kit with solar and inverter. Let's go through this 200-watt solar kit with inverter piece by piece. Starting here in the back, we have 2 of the Rich Solar flexible solar modules. Down below here we have a tube of our Sikaflex adhesive. This is enough to adhere both of these panels down, as well as a little bit extra for this wire penetration for most RV roofs. Over here on the left we have a 30-foot MC4 cable that will cut in half, essentially giving us a 15-foot positive and a 15-foot negative run. Over here in the middle we have our breakers. We have our solar input breaker, our charge controller breaker, and if you get a kit with the inverter and Orion DC to DC charger, you'll have a 40 amp breaker for that as well. In the middle we have our baby box with negative bus bar that will house these 3 breakers. This is a larger amperage surface mount breaker for our inverter. If the kit includes an inverter, we'll have one of those. Here's the inverter here, our MK3 programming cable. Moving here to our left, we have our 120 solar charge controller, our BMV 712 battery monitor, and our Orion DC to DC alternator charger here on the left. Also included here are the battery cables. If you want some more additional information on the 6 RV kits that we sell, check out the link in the description to our website. There you'll be able to see all 6 kits as well as the included product, and we also have wiring diagrams for each of the kits available. Of course, Backwoods always includes our lifetime tech support included with anything we sell, so you're always welcome to give us a call or send us an email. Leave a comment in the description. We do read and reply to all comments. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.
Backwoods Solar is America's oldest and most trusted solar retailer with nearly 50 years of experience. Head over to our website, backwoodssolar.com, to get a free copy of our planning guide. While you're there, check out our Learning Center with articles on setup, sizing, tax credits, and so much more helpful information, especially if you're just getting started with solar. There are also links provided in the description.